Home on a golf course, $500,000. Brand new custom TD6 HSE 2016 Range Rover, $110,000. Brand new 2016 650 horsepower Z06 Corvette, $100,000. Children always having the latest and greatest toys, a few $1,000s per month. And family vacations whenever we want, a minimum of $10,000. But the freedom of owning an online automated business that allows me to be with my family 24/7, 365 days a year and never miss a moment of my children growing up, that's priceless. Hey there, my name is Vincent Ortega Jr., and I've been an online sales professional for almost a decade now. You are here on this website because you want to build a simple and profitable online business that will earn you an income that will give you the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want, just like my family and I get to do every single day. I get it, and you may or may have not seen people just like me in the past promising you the world, promising you that they would finally help you break free of slaving away to your boss every single day with their magical system, right? And the only problem is their magical system is magic. It's completely fake and impossible for you to make any money. Unfortunately, 99% of what you see online is lies. The people promising you the lifestyle, they don't really live it. They hire fake actors, they create fake screenshots of income, they rent homes faking it's theirs, and they even rent their dream cars acting like it's their own. It's honestly sad how low people go these days, but I have good news for you. With me, what you see is what you get. I didn't hire actors, I didn't rent these cars, or even rent the home you see in this video. I didn't even rent the children, and yes, I've seen some people stoop that low just for marketing. These children are mine, and I'm such a proud father, and that's why pretty much everywhere you see me, you'll see my family. Everything you see with me and what I'm about to share with you is 100% real. My lifestyle has been completely created by this simple online business that I'm about to pass over to you today. You are about to earn an online income faster and easier than you've ever dreamed possible, and it starts today. Here are some of the results of our current members.
I've been online for a few years, have had moderate results, really struggled with different programs. And within a very short amount of time, I've been able to generate close to $5,000, which is insane. Never have I had results like this so fast, and I'm super excited.
I was able to generate over $8,000 in just 9 days after implementing the step-by-step training, and the best part is, I've been able to do all of this whilst chilling out in my pool villa out here in Phuket, Thailand, using only the internet and my computer.
I'm 65 years old and a grandmother of 3. Since joining about 10 days ago, I have managed to generate around $2,800 in commissions by following the game plan.
I have generated over $1,000 in residual commissions. I originally wanted to start my own online business so I can make enough money to bring my children here to Hawaii because they are 4,200 miles away, and I know I can do it with Online Sales Pro. God bless.
And all I did was log into my back office. I followed the tools and the training, and within my first week, I made $200.
Under the system, I've been able to generate almost $2,000 in commissions in just 2 weeks, simply by following the step-by-step training which you're about to access inside.
The best advice that I ever received was to never learn from someone who doesn't have what you want. So if buying your dream cars, living in your dream home, and raising amazing children that always have the best in life isn't your dream life, then my friend, you might as well exit off this page because I have nothing for you. But if you want to achieve everything you have always dreamed of, then stick around because I'm going to share with you how you can start earning an online income using only the internet and your computer or cell phone in as little as 24 hours from now. Yes, you heard me correct. Our system is so fast and easy to earn an income online that you could quite possibly be earning commissions from us in as little as 24 hours from now. So let me explain. When you want to make money online, you have a few issues you need to overcome. The first issue is you need to make sure the owner of the systems are truly living the lifestyle they say they are and have truly earned the income that provided their lifestyle from the systems they are selling you. Well, my friend, my almost decade of money-making online track record should do that for you. Oh, and if you're thinking maybe I come from mommy and daddy money, well, my dad is a retired deputy chief of Kansas City, Missouri, so you can pretty much rule him out on passing on a bunch of wealth to me. And my mom runs her own business in the cosmetics industry, and you don't see me wearing any makeup. So really, there wasn't much that I could do in her industry. So every single thing that you see in my videos, the cars, the home, the vacations, the lifestyle that we have, has all been created by my online income. So the problem of if I am really living the lifestyle is solved because yes, I am living the dream life sitting right here behind my computer screen, and I earned every single penny of it with my online businesses. Oh, and I have no debt either if that's something that excites you as well. The second problem of starting an online business is you have to make sure the system is simple and easy for anyone to use. And good news here as well. Our system is so easy that as soon as you hit sign up, your system is ready. There's nothing else for you to do to set it up. The websites are set up, the back end is set up, your merchants is set up, your lead generator is set up, your follow-ups are set up, and your affiliate program is set up. Honestly, the list could go on of what we set up for you automatically, but just know it's all set up and you are ready to go right away. If you were to set up everything that we set up for you automatically, you could plan on spending easily $100,000. I'm not kidding. We've invested almost $1 million in our platform and system that you are about to get access today. The only thing that you have to do with this business after you get started is share your specialized affiliate link that will track the sales and big commissions back to you. Which brings me to the third problem you need to make sure a system you are joining overcomes is the marketing. The question you have to ask yourself is, how hard is it to market your system? And with our system, you have two options when it comes to marketing. The first option is you can use my proven, almost decade-tested 7-figure social media marketing methods to generate massive amounts of leads and sales online through my free social media strategies. Or two, which is everyone's favorite, is you could just purchase unique website visitors in our back office, and they are people just like you who are interested in making money online. Now with this strategy, you will literally allow us to do all of the marketing for you. It's almost like investing in stocks where you give your money to us and we use it to make you more money. This is the route that most users take because it's truly that easy. You purchase the marketing, which will bring you tons of website visitors, and we will convert them into leads and sales for you through your specialized affiliate link. So I'm not kidding when I say there is nothing you have to do when you choose this route. People just give us their money so we can do the marketing for them and make them more money. It's simple and straightforward, just like investing in stocks of rising companies. The only thing you could do if you wanted to is also follow up with your leads through our phone application that we have for you as well. Just letting them know that the system is real and that we are here to serve them. But you don't have to even do that if you don't want to. It's just another step you can take if you want to bring in more income faster and you want to make sales quicker. And yes, you heard me correct. Our system even has an application for your phone that gives you push notifications immediately when people are going through your system. Then all you have to do is push to text, email, or even call them if you like. And I'll give you a hint, transparency online is a big deal. And if you utilize our application on your phone that is loaded with scripts on what to say, you will make a lot more sales and you will make them much faster. Because when you reach out to your leads through our app, it will build the trust faster, which in turn will make you way more sales. That's really what it's all about online, because you need to make sure the transparency is real. All right? But once again, I want you to know this is just an option. I will be automatically doing all the follow-ups for you anyways, so if you don't have time for this or you just don't want to do it, you really don't have to, and you will still make sales, and lots of them, because we will be sending out emails to your leads every single day, and we'll even have a phone team for you, and we'll call your leads throughout the day to help you close your new leads into the system for you. Now this brings me to the next and final problem that you need to make sure a system you are joining can overcome. You need to make sure the affiliate program pays enough commissions on the sales. Well, here at Online Sales Pro, I'm excited to tell you that we pay over 50% commissions in an industry that normally only pays 10 to 20% max. So you will most likely never find another online system that pays as well as us. Here's how it breaks down. Our system is only $37 a month. And guess what? We pay out $20 a month of that $37 a month in affiliate commissions. Yes, so when you bring members into our system, you will be earning a residual $20 a month over and over and over again every single month your referred members remain in our system. So that means you keep $20 of the sale and we keep only $17. You will never find anything like that online. And did you know it cost us a minimum of $30,000 a month to run this system for you? So trust me, you are winning big here. And here's how the numbers break down. When you refer 10 members, you will earn $200 a month. When you refer 50 members, you will earn $1,000 a month. When you refer 500 members, you will earn $10,000 a month. And when you bring in 1,000 members, you will now be earning $20,000 a month. And it doesn't even stop there. You can bring as many members in as you like. And here is the even better news. Once you get inside of our system and get started today, you will also learn how you can 7 times those affiliate commissions, but I'll share more about that in a video once you get inside. I just don't want to to overwhelm you with all this money you're about to earn with our system in just this one video. The bottom line is you have to make sure that you are getting at least 50% minimum of the sale and commissions for bringing members into a system if you want to make any kind of money growing a business. And if you were saying to yourself, well, I don't know anyone and I don't want to bother my family and friends, then great, because remember, I told you earlier that once you get access inside, I was going to teach you my proven, almost decade-strong 7-figure social media marketing methods that will generate you massive amounts of leads and sales to our system every single day. And then the other option is the faster and easier one is you can just purchase visitors, allow us to do all the marketing for you, and that will automatically bring you massive amounts of leads and sales to our system through your unique affiliate link, and you will literally just sit back and watch your affiliate commissions grow. I'll explain more about this once you get inside of OnlineSalesPro.com in just a second, and like I said earlier, I just don't want to overwhelm you with too much amazing money-making info in just this one video. Oh, and so you know for sure that you have nothing to lose or worry about, we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So if you aren't satisfied even after the first 30 days, you can still email us and get your money back as well. And you're probably wondering, how can we make such a crazy guarantee? Well, it's simply because our system works and it works well. When our members join and follow the steps that we provide, they make money, period, end of story. I want you to remember that my track record is proven. I've been making money online for almost a decade now. So if my members didn't have results, I would be stuck at a 9-to-5 job slaving away to a boss that I would probably hate. And even worse, that means I would be living inside of my boss's dream instead of living this dream life that I have currently. Oh, and if you're asking yourself, well, what am I selling, Vince? Well, here's the deal. You are selling an online system that generates leads for business owners. Because once you get inside of OnlineSalesPro.com, you will see how amazing our software and system truly is. We have a landing page created for business owners who want to generate leads for their specific businesses. You can point and click your way to beautiful lead capture and sales pages for whatever kind of business you'd like. Some of our members charge other business owners $1,000 to $5,000 to create and run their marketing pages and use our $37 a month system to build all of them. The great news is you can build unlimited websites in our system with just one account. Now, the other thing you are selling is our phone application with all the real-time notifications, scripts, and rebuttals. It's another amazing piece of software that you'll be selling with our system. I know people right now that are selling an app like ours for $1,997 down and then $197 a month fees. All right, and you are going to get access to that for free today, just as a package deal for getting started with OnlineSalesPro.com today. Oh, and the landing page software I just talked about a few seconds ago would normally be another easy $997 setup and a $97 a month fee for that. But once again, you will be getting that for free as well when you join OnlineSalesPro.com today. Oh, and to top all this off, my 7-figure marketing methods that I normally charge $5,000 minimum for are also inside of our system as well when you get started today. We put all this value inside of our system to make it a no-brainer. There is nothing you will ever find online that can touch the value that we are going to provide for you when you get access to OnlineSalesPro.com today. I promise we'll make your $37 feel like 37 cents. And remember, the best part is you are earning $20 a month commissions on that $37. So you only have to refer 2 members. Yes, that's just 2 members, and your system is paid for and you are into profit. With any other business, you're looking at a minimum of 10 to 20 referred just to break even in most businesses. With us, you just refer 2 members and you are in profit. It's truly unheard of. Oh, and if you forgot, here's how the income stacks up here. When you refer as little as 10 members to OnlineSalesPro.com, you are going to earn an extra $200 a month. When you refer 50, you're going to earn an extra $1,000 a month. When you refer 500, you're going to earn an extra $10,000 a month. And then when you refer 1,000, you are going to earn an extra $20,000 a month. And it doesn't stop there. 10,000 referred is $200,000 a month. The sky is the limit. And let me just tell you this to give you some confidence in these numbers. Over the past almost decade of being a full-time online entrepreneur, I have made around 250,000 sales of online products. So for you to hit 1,000 referred to our system is honestly simple when you follow my proven marketing strategies or simply purchase our high-converting website visitor packages and let us do all the marketing for you. And remember, inside, I'm going to show you how you can 7 times that income as well and earn way more money faster and easier. So those numbers are actually very, very low compared to what you are going to earn when you actually take action inside. And here's the deal. When you get inside, I'm going to show you my secret of how you can grow a $10,000 per month, 6-figure per year income within 6 months or less. But you got to get inside before I'm going to give you access to that training. And I'll leave you with this one final thought, and this is what changed my life and maybe it will change change yours as well. The day I found out that my wife was pregnant with my baby girl was the day that I woke up and realized that I had to do more with my life. I immediately knew that it was time to step up my game and become a father that didn't just provide, but become a father that gave my little girl the dreamy princess style of life. She's always dressed the best, never wears the same outfit twice, and everywhere we go, people freak out at how cute she looks. She is truly my little princess. She was my first why, and she is what drove me to become the providing father that I am today. So my question that I ask you today is, what is your why? I want you to think about it. I want you to visualize it right now. What will make you wake up every day and become more? After you figure it out, I want you to write it down because I don't want you to just join my system and think, I just want to make more money. I want you to use OnlineSalesPro.com to create the lifestyle of your dreams. I want you to use my system that I'm handing over to you today for completely free to complete your why in life. I promise when you find out what your purpose here on earth is for, you'll wake up and you'll realize that you've had so much more inside of you than you even knew possible. And now I have many whys. My faith is my why, my family is my why, and you are my why. I am here to serve you and serve everyone who wants to get better today. I just feel blessed to tell you that OnlineSalesPro.com is truly the only business that you will find in the world that will allow you to live your why while the income just keeps rolling in like clockwork. An automated online business is 10 to 15 years ahead of what anyone else really knows right now, and that's what we have here for you. Consider yourself lucky to be the first to know about it. For example, during my family vacations, my online systems keep producing income for me 24/7 because these videos you are watching live on forever and keep playing and making sales for my affiliates and I no matter what we do. They are doing the work for me while I play. I can't even spend more money on vacation than my systems make for me. I mean, wouldn't it be great to make money while you're on vacation? Well, this is your chance. I want to give you the same opportunity today. I want to partner with you so we can share OnlineSalesPro.com with more people and help them break free of their 9-to-5 so they stop slaving away to their bosses. But first, we start with you. It's your time to shine. I'm looking forward to working with you. So go ahead and get started on this page right now for 7 days free. And then if my system lives up to your expectations, it will only cost you $37 a month after that. And remember, this price also sets up your affiliate account so you can start earning $20 a month commissions on the people you bring here as well. And I promise there are no extra fees or hidden fees for becoming an affiliate like you will find everywhere else. And I promise when you dive in, follow exactly what I tell you to do, there is no reason that you can't earn a full-time income like myself within 3 to 6 months or even faster. I've made this so simple and easy for you. Make the smart decision and transform your life. Welcome to OnlineSalesPro.com.